Avoiding contractions and abbreviations, mastering formal English writing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on mastering English language writing skills. Today, we're delving into a very crucial topic: avoiding contractions and abbreviations in formal writing. This aspect of English writing is often overlooked, yet it can significantly improve your overall written communication when correctly implemented. So, let's dive in. Before we venture deeper, it's important to understand the difference between formal and informal writing. Formal writing is professional, objective, and generally used in academic, business, and official communications. On the other hand, informal writing is conversational and used in personal or casual contexts. One key difference between them is the use of contractions and abbreviations, which we'll explore more in the next sections. Contractions are shortened forms of words or phrases. For example, can't is a contraction of cannot, and it's stands for it is or it has. Abbreviations, on the other hand, are shortened forms of words, like info, for information, or approximately, for approximately. In informal writing, these are completely acceptable. They add a relaxed, conversational tone that fits casual contexts. However, in formal writing, it's best to avoid them. Using the full form of words and phrases not only increases the clarity of your writing but also imparts a sense of professionalism and seriousness. Now, let's move on to some practice. Here are some common contractions and abbreviations with their formal counterparts. Contractions: can't to cannot, it's to it is, it has, there to they are. Abbreviations: info to information, approximately to approximately, ASAP to as soon as possible. Exercise: try converting the following informal sentences into formal ones. 1. I can't believe it's already August. 2. They're planning to arrive ASAP. 3. Send me the info approximately by noon. Here are the formal versions of these sentences. 1. I cannot believe it is already August. 2. They are planning to arrive as soon as possible. 3. Send me the information approximately by noon. And there we have it. Remember, avoiding contractions and abbreviations is a simple yet effective strategy to elevate your formal English writing. By practicing this, you'll find your writing becomes more clear, professional, and precise. Keep practicing, and you'll master this skill in no time. As always, thank you for joining today's lesson. I hope you found it useful and that it helps enhance your writing skills. Remember, practice is key. See you in the next lesson.